We're here in the beautiful Singapore at Consensus event, and we're here with BitGo. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Mike Belshe, CEO, co-founder of BitGo.
Right. BitGo, for the wider public, what does it do actually?
So BitGo is one of the older companies in the Bitcoin space. We've been around since 2013. We do a security scalability platform for digital currencies. Most recently, just 2 weeks ago, we became the first purpose-built qualified custodian for digital assets. So that means we are now a fully regulated entity. We have a state charter through the state of South Dakota in the United States. And yeah, we've been doing wallet solutions since 2013. We process about 12 billion in transactions across the Bitcoin blockchain every month. And now we do custody as well.
So it's a fully regulated custodian solution for cryptocurrencies.
That's correct. Well, so we start with our technology. That's what we've always been. We have one of the largest teams of technologists and engineers and product people focused purely on security, because that's all we do. We're not an exchange. We're not a broker-dealer. We're just about security. We start out with that as our core. And in the last couple of years, the move towards custody has really grown. So there's a new type of participant coming into the market. It's hedge funds, it's asset managers, family offices, etc. These people are holding money on behalf of someone else. So when you're holding money on behalf of someone else, you're taking on a fiduciary responsibility. And we've had always in our legislation and regulation requirements for what it takes to hold someone else's money. So I noticed you got the hat that says HODL, which is great. And so from a personal perspective, the great thing about digital currency, you can do whatever you want with it. You can stick it in your mattress. You can put it, on a ledger. You can put it on a Trezor. You can use any number of wallets, right? But it's your choice and it's your money. It's very freeing. There's no middlemen required, etc. But when it comes to managing somebody else's money with a hedge fund, that's where you need somebody that's not just a security company, but they're reliable, they're reputable. You know their management background. They've got regulatory clearance for what they're doing, so that's a BitGo.
It's actually quite a hot topic, yeah? I mean, custody and in the US as well. So do you expect more institutional money flowing into this market?
Of course we do. I mean, I think there's some that talk about this wall of institutional money. I hope that happens, but I think it's going to come in a more metered pace. But the fact is that if you are a major traditional firm, the infrastructure that you would expect for managing an asset class, it just doesn't exist in Bitcoin, right? So the typical participants that you deal with equities, with bonds, with anything else, there's a whole infrastructure around that. But when it comes to digital currencies, it's not there yet. So BitGo's the first, again, purpose-built digital custodian. We start with the tech from the ground up, and we built just a super product. So hopefully that starts to bring things in.
What kind of clients do you work for?
Our clients, our clients are quite varied. So traditionally, actually, exchanges have been our biggest clients. We have over 100 exchanges using the BitGo platform and API around the world today. The new types of clients looking for custody are a little bit different. These types of clients are fund managers or asset managers, wealth managers, etc. And it's just growing.
So yeah, I mean, good developments in the BitGo front. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
For your time. Yes, thank you.